In this video, I'll show you how you can enable your microphone in Google Meet, and I'll cover some likely scenarios that you might be facing if you're having some issues. So you're either going to be invited to a meeting or you're going to invite someone else. Nonetheless, I'm just going to start an instant meeting and I'll show you here what you need to do. So once you're in the meeting, you will see here the microphone may already be on or off. Now to turn on the microphone, all you need to do is go ahead and click on this button here. And if you see the audio waveforms going up and down when you speak, it means it is enabled. Now, you might have some problems though. It might not be working as you think it should be. Now, if you join a meeting and you click on the microphone icon, it may ask you, do you want people to hear you and do you want to actually give permission? Because if you haven't given permission to Google Meet yet, you need to click use microphone. It's then going to ask you what you want to do here. I'm going to click allow for this time. Now this will then allow the microphone and now it is working. Now at any point, if you want to check, just go to any Google Meet domain. So I'm just in the standard meet.google.com. And on Google Chrome, all I need to do is go to the top left-hand corner where these two lines are, and here you can see what permissions you've given to Google Meet already. Here you can see I've got my microphone and we've given it permission only this time. If we click on this arrow, we can go ahead and allow this on every visit. So all we would need to do is click on the mic icon in Google Meet. As you can see, you can select your microphone here, and when you speak, you should see it moving up. If it's ticked and it's allowed, you then just check it inside of Google Meet, inside of the meeting, and you'll be able to turn it on and start speaking.